Hiya folks, Root Beer here with question number 5 on our 2009 Gauss paper, the 2009 grade 8 level Gauss paper. And we're being asked, rounded to 2 decimal places, 7 over 9 is, and then we have a bunch of options, all of them are 2 decimal places, that's fine. So the real quick way to do this question is grab your calculator. The calculators are allowed on all of Waterloo's multiple choice contests. Actually, I think they're allowed on all the contests, although some of the more written ones you don't really need your calculator for. So, surely we could just do 7 divided by 9, 0.777777. Some of you who are really good with your calculators could even ask it to round off to 2 decimal places. But if you just see the 0.7777, you just say, okay, I need 2 decimal places. So we look at the third decimal place, which is a 7, that tells us to round up. And so our answer is going to be C, 0.78, rather than B, 0.77. And you say to me, Root Beer, I forgot my calculator. Don't worry, I actually did that once too. And it's, a little nerve-wracking, because we like our calculators. We love having calculators. We've been using them all through school. They don't usually get taken away for tests or anything like that anymore. And so you say, well, what do? I forgot my calculator. How could I possibly get the decimal places here? Well, you are in luck, my friend. I always try and write something down in my notepad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to divide 7 by 9 using long division. And I'll do it until I, get 3 decimal places. But 9 doesn't go into 7. No. If it did, 7 would be bigger than 9. But 9 does go into 70. Okay, how many times? Well, 9 times 7 is 63. So, okay, it goes in 7 times. 7 times 9, 63. And we subtract and we get another 7. Okay, well, we know how many times 9 goes into 70. 7 times. You get a 63, and you subtract. You get a 7, you bring down the other 0. Another 70. And you can keep going for this as long as you want. But we've got 3 decimal places here, which is exactly enough. So this last 7 here, which I suppose I'll highlight in maybe our red, tells me round up. Okay, so 0.78, and that's going to be our final answer, and that's C. Okay, they didn't say what are the first 2 decimal places quite clearly at the start. They say rounded, very first word they use, and so we have to keep that in mind. So our answer is going to be C. But that finishes off question number 5. Very quick if you have a calculator, although you saw there the long division wasn't that bad either. Okay, up next will be question number 6. I'll see you for that shortly.